Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to disable WhatsApp from automatically starting when you log into your PC. This is a feature that many users find annoying, especially if they prefer to launch their apps manually. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the process. First things first, you'll need to open the WhatsApp desktop application on your computer. If you don't have it already, you can easily download it from the official WhatsApp website or your device's app store. Once you have WhatsApp up and running, look to the left side of the window. You'll see a menu with various options. What we're interested in is the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll see several tabs at the top. We want to focus on the General tab, which should be the first one you see. If it's not already selected, go ahead and click on it. In the General settings, you'll find various options to customize your WhatsApp experience. Scroll down a bit until you see the option that says Start WhatsApp at Login. This is the setting we want to change. By default, this option is usually enabled, which is why WhatsApp has been starting up every time you log into your PC. To stop this from happening, simply click on the toggle switch next to Start WhatsApp at Login to turn it off. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled WhatsApp from automatically starting when you log into your computer. From now on, WhatsApp will only open when you choose to launch it manually. Remember, you can always re-enable this feature later if you change your mind. Just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.